Okay, dear children, you will have watched the lesson regarding the song We Are the World by Michael Jackson. And I don't think I would have to give you an introduction about Michael Jackson. മൈക്കിൾ ജാക്സനെ നിങ്ങളോട് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. And now we are having a song by Michael Jackson. And we are going to deal with a poem which is Michael Jackson's song. We are the world. So let's look into the song. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all, we can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. So, the singer or the composer, he is telling that there comes a time when we heed, pay attention, listen, ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, to a certain call. There will come a time when we all have to pay attention to a certain call. What is that call about? When the whole world must come together as one. So that call is for the whole world to become one. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ ഒന്നായി മാറണം. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life. There are many people who are dying, and it's time to lend a hand. Lend a hand means help, സഹായിക്കുക. And it's time to help others. The greatest gift of all. And helping others is the greatest gift of all. മറ്റുള്ളവരെ സഹായിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഏറ്റവും വലിയ സമ്മാനം. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We can't go on pretending, acting. We can't go on acting day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. So what we can't go on acting? That someone somewhere will soon make a change. We can't go on acting. Think that someone somewhere will soon make a change. That someone will make a change and we don't have to take part in it. ഈ ലോകത്തിൽ മാറ്റം വരുത്താൻ നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. അത് വേറെ ആരെങ്കിലും ചെയ്തുകൊള്ളും. So we can't go on acting like that. We all are a part of God's great family. Why? Because we are a part of a great family, a big family. Because we all are a part of a big family. And that is the family of God. And who is the head of that family? The head of that family is God. ആ കുടുംബത്തിന്റെ കാരണവസ്ഥാനത്താരാണുള്ളത്? It is God. And the truth you know, love is all we need. And do you know the truth? We all need love. People run about thinking that we need other things for life. They go on to make money and all such kind of things. സമ്പാദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയും ഒക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഓടി നടക്കുക. But remember one thing. The only thing that we want in our life is love. സ്നേഹമാണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. Can you think of a life where your parents don't love you? Your friends don't love you? No, right? So, we all in this world need love. We are the world. we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's no choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It's true. We will make a better day. Just you and me. Send them your hearts, and they will know that someone cares, and your lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. So we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, brighter, happier. Michael Jackson has wrote this song for the children of the world. ലോകത്തിലുള്ള എല്ലാ കുട്ടികൾക്കും വേണ്ടിയാണ് മൈക്കിൾ ജാക്സൺ ഈ പാട്ട് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. We are the world, we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, brighter, happier day. So it is children who make the day happier. So let's start giving. That's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. So let's start giving. So let's start helping others. There's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It's a choice we are making. It's something which we have to do. It's not, or to say, a kind of a sympathy for others. മറ്റുള്ളവരോടുള്ള സഹതാപമൊന്നുമല്ല. Why? We are saving our own lives. We are saving our lives. Because tomorrow, when we need help, then only others will help us if we help others. നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ സഹായിച്ചാലേ അവർ നമ്മളെയും സഹായിക്കൂ. It's true, we will make a better day, just you and me. Yes, it's true. What is true? We will make a better day. We will make a good day, just you and me. Here, this you and me is the whole world. Send them your hearts so they will know that someone cares. Send them your heart. Send them your heart means tell the people whom you love them. Send them your hearts so they will know that someone cares. Then they will understand that there is someone who cares for them. അവരുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നോക്കാനും ആളുകൾ ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് അവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. So if you like someone or if you love someone, tell them you love them. You may love your father, you may love your mother, you may love your brother or sister, but you don't say that. Oh, what will they think? Don't worry about that. Open up your heart and tell your father and mother that you love them the most. And that will bring a kind of a determination in the mind of the parents. അത് കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ രക്ഷിതാക്കൾക്കും മനസ്സിൽ ഒരു വിശ്വാസം വരും. And their lives will be stronger and free. And their lives will become strong and free because they will know that if they have a problem, there will be someone to help them. അവർക്ക് നാളെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടായാൽ അതിനെ അവർക്ക് താങ്ങായി ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടാവും. They can realize, they can understand. As God has shown us by turning stone to bread. So God has shown us by turning stone to bread. So what is turning stone to bread? Let's see. Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie wrote the famous song We Are the World, and there is a line in this, right? So let's come to the mythology behind that. One day, Jesus asked his disciples to take stones and bring them up a hill. Peter took the smallest stone since he thought that going up a hill, bringing a big stone would be a heavy burden. On the hill, Jesus prayed and turned the stones to bread. Peter was disappointed because he got the smallest bread. He ran back down the hill to take a bigger one. He showed the stone to his master and asked him to turn it to bread. Jesus said, "What are you doing, Peter? The time to turn stone to bread is over." This story is not mentioned in the Bible. There is no such story in the Bible. Jesus never turned stone to bread and will never do so. Yes, he blessed 5 loaves of bread and fed more than 5,000 people. With 5 loaves of bread, he fed 5,000 people. You would have heard about that. Even 12 baskets full of bread left. He performed a lot of miracles, magics. But none of this was about turning stone into bread. The idea of turning stone into bread came from the devil. എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് ഈ ആശയം വന്നത്? Came from the devil, രാക്ഷസൻ. Because devil started to tempt Jesus Christ. പിശാച് എന്തു ചെയ്തു? യേശുക്രിസ്തുവെ പ്രലോഭിപ്പിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു. And people are also tempted to get money as possible without doing much effort. ആളുകൾ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്തിനു വേണ്ടി? അധ്വാനിക്കാതെ പണം ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ. So it shows a materialistic world. Materialistic, പണത്തിനോട് ആർത്തിയുള്ള ഒരു ലോകം. So we must lend a helping hand. So God has turned even stone into bread. So we must help others. And that's why God has sent us. അതിനുവേണ്ടിയാണ് ദൈവം മനുഷ്യനെ ഭൂമിയിലേക്ക് പറഞ്ഞയച്ചത്. Why? To help other people. To help other beings. When you are down and out without money, job, or a place to live in. When you are down and out, when you have no hope, ഒരു പ്രതീക്ഷയും ഇല്ലാത്ത സമയം. There seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. But if you believe, there's no way we can fall. Well, let's realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. So when will the change come? If we stand together as one, realize, understand. Let's understand one thing. There's a change will come only if we stand together as one. എപ്പോഴാ ലോകത്ത് മാറ്റം വരിക? നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഒന്നായി നിന്നാൽ. If we stand as divided, there is no change going to happen in this world. ഈ ലോകത്തൊരു മാറ്റവും വരില്ല. നമ്മൾ ഒന്നായി നിന്നില്ല എങ്കിൽ. നിന്നാൽ we can change this whole world. So, it's the chorus. So, which is the chorus lines, do you know? We are the world, we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So, let's start giving. There's a choice we are making. We are saving our own lives. It's true, we will make a better day. Just you and me. That is the chorus lines. What is the chorus? Chorus is a group of people singing together. In a song, you will find a lead singer. പാട്ട് പാടുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഒരു പ്രധാന ഗായകൻ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗായിക. ഈ പ്രധാന ഗായകനും ഗായികയും പാടിക്കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ചില വരികൾ ആവർത്തിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് പീപ്പിൾ വിൽ ബി ദർ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് പീപ്പിൾ ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ദ കോറസ്. Okay, that's our song. And I think you would have also listened to our class on the Victor's channel. And question number 1 to 5 is your homework. And if you have any problem regarding the lesson, don't hesitate to call me or send me on your WhatsApp. Don't think you don't know me. I am your English teacher and I am there to help you. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാത്തൊരു മാഷെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വിളിക്കുക? അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു തോന്നലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമില്ല. കാരണം ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അധ്യാപകനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ വിഷയവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് എന്ത് സംശയത്തിനും ഏത് സമയത്തും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാം. അത് എനിക്കൊരു പ്രശ്നമേ അല്ല. നിങ്ങൾ അത് പ്രശ്നമാക്കാതിരിക്കുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോൾ വേണമെങ്കിലും എന്നെ വിളിക്കാം. Okay, dear children, thank you and have a nice day.